Case Studies of Successful Property Investments Around the World. Chapter 2, Europe. United Kingdom, High-End Real Estate in London. Overview: London's luxury real estate market has seen significant growth, particularly in prestigious areas such as Mayfair, Kensington, and Chelsea. These developments cater to high-net-worth individuals and institutional investors seeking exclusive properties. Key strategies. Prime locations. Developers focused on prestigious areas where property values were already high. These locations attracted wealthy buyers from around the world. Exclusive amenities. Offering exclusive amenities like concierge services, private gyms, and secure parking helped differentiate these properties from the competition. Some developments also included private gardens and on-site spas. Brand partnerships. Collaborating with luxury brands for interior design and amenities added to the property's appeal. High-end finishes, designer kitchens, and bespoke furnishings were common features. Outcomes. High returns. Substantial profits were realized from property sales and rentals. The luxury market proved resilient even during economic downturns, maintaining high property values. Global appeal. London's luxury properties attracted international buyers, boosting the local economy. The influx of foreign capital supported various sectors, from real estate to retail and hospitality. Iconic developments. Landmark buildings like One Hyde Park and the Shard became symbols of London's status as a global city. These developments contributed to the city's architectural heritage and skyline. Guidelines for investors. Select prestigious locations. Focus on areas with high property values and strong demand from affluent buyers. Offer exclusive features. Include luxury amenities and high-end finishes to attract high-net-worth individuals. Partner with luxury brands. Collaborate with well-known brands to enhance the property's appeal. Germany, affordable housing initiatives in Berlin. Overview: Berlin faced a significant housing shortage, leading to initiatives focused on developing affordable housing units. Key strategies. Subsidies. Government subsidies and incentives reduced construction costs, making it feasible to offer lower rents. These subsidies included grants and low-interest loans. Innovative design. Utilizing cost-effective building materials and methods, such as prefabricated construction, helped keep expenses down while maintaining quality. Regulations. Implementing rent controls and long-term leases ensured that housing remained affordable for low-income families. These regulations protected tenants from sudden rent increases and displacement. Outcomes. Increased housing supply. The projects alleviated the housing shortage in Berlin, providing thousands of affordable units. This increased supply helped stabilize rent prices across the city. Social equity. Improved access to affordable housing enhanced social equity and reduced homelessness. Mixed-income neighborhoods fostered social integration and reduced economic disparities. Community integration. The creation of vibrant, mixed-use communities with access to amenities and public transportation improved residents' quality of life. Green spaces, schools, and healthcare facilities were integrated into the housing projects. Guidelines for investors. Leverage government subsidies. Take advantage of available subsidies to reduce construction costs. Use cost-effective designs. Implement innovative and cost-effective construction methods to maintain affordability. Focus on social impact. Develop projects that address housing needs and promote social equity.